Good morning, guys. Ayan, kagigising lang namin. Nakakapagod, guys. Jet lag talaga, grabe, is real. Ayan, si Sawyer kumakain ng cereal. Say hi, guys. Wala siya sa mood. Ako, magluluto ako ng itlog tsaka corn beef, request ng asawa ko. So, magluto muna tayo, guys. Tapos, magluto ako ng tuyo sa labas. Inaantok pa ako, guys, pero kailangan kong kumilos para meron kaming pagkain. Tapos, mamaya, after na naman kumain, ano na naman, tulog na naman. Sakit ng katawan ko, guys. Ito pa nga, hindi ko pa nga na-unpack. Hindi ko pa na-unpack, guys, yung gamit namin. Itong dalawang bagahe ay tapos na. Ayan. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang apat ay hindi pa. Itong dalawa, guys, ay sa asawa ko. Ayan. Yan yung kanya mga damit. Ito naman yung dalawa sa amin ng mga bata. At saka ito. Yan. So, kailangan ko yung i-unpack. Mamaya. After ko sigurong matulog o kaya dahan-dahanin ko, guys, kasi nga hindi ko kaya kasi talagang pagod na pagod yung katawan ko. Grabe. Si Sam at saka si Shelton ay andun pa sa taas. Si Sam maaga natulog, maaga nagising 6 o'clock kasi gutom daw siya. Si Shelton naman ay hindi pa nagising, tulog pa. So, magluto muna ako ng aming breakfast. Puro patay yung aking halaman, guys. Ayan, no? Kasi walang nagdilig eh. Ayan, patay. Ayan, namatay. Tapos, ayan, namatay. Tapos yung kamote na tinanom ko, guys, patay talaga din. Kasi walang nagdidilig. Ayan. Marami na pala siyang kaya lang namatay talaga siya. Diligan ko kaya ito. Bumuhay pa kaya ito. So, ayan, naprito ako ng tuyo. Tuyo ang aking ulam at saka itlog. At corn beef naman sa asawa ko at saka itlog, guys. Where are you gonna put that? Si Sawyer ay kumain na ng cereal with milk. Si Samantha kumain na rin ng itlog at saka corn beef. So, ito yung itlog, guys. Yung corn beef, dalawa lang yung niluto ko. Kakigising lang namin ni Sawyer, guys. Time check, babe. What is the time now, Sawyer? 8:44 PM na, guys. Pero, hindi pa madilim. Ayan. Nag-order na si asawa ng pizza kasi pizza lang yung kakainin namin for dinner. Ayan, oh. Grabe yung nap namin, ang haba. After kumain, ligpit ng konti sa kitchen, tapos tulog. Grabe talaga, guys. Nakakapagod. So, sabi niya asawa, pagising namin ng morning, kami ng araw, alabas kami at papainit sa araw para daw kunting mawala daw yung namin jet lag. Oh, pizza here! Pizza here. Magulo pa yung namin. Luggage, hindi ko pa na gawa.
We're slow tonight. A lot of people barbecue.
Oh, yeah, for the Pioneer Day. We just got in from overseas, so we're working on it. Thank you. I'll put a tip on the card. Thanks so much.
Pizza's here. Uy! You burp.
Oh, they're slow tonight because of the holiday. He said a lot of people barbecuing.
Oh, really? Oh, it's Pioneer Day. Whoa, pizza. Yan. Oh, cold, Sissy and brother. What is this? Chicken? Oh, what is this?
Parmesan bites.
Oh, Parmesan bites. Ooh, what is this? Cheese?
Cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread. Yum, yum. Oh, it's still hot.
Pizza's here, everyone. Pizza is here.
Whoa, cheese pizza. Dami yung in-order cheese pizza. Ooh, ito yung amin. Ooh. Okay, guys, let's go eat.
They're not coming, so it's fine, please.
Okay. Oh, is there a plate, no?
Yeah.
Is there? Oh, wow. That's awesome. Brownies?
Yeah, after you eat, yeah.
Did you order brownies?
Right there.
Oh, wow.
I want brownies.
You want brownies?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza. Kagising lang ni Shelton. We just woke up too. Dalawang cheesy pizza. At dalawang... What is this?
The free Parmesan bites.
Free
And the
Parmesan.
cheesy bread.
This one ba?
You want this one?
No, what is that?
That's our extravaganza.
Oh, it's
I
extravaganza.
ordered 2 extravaganza and 2 cheese.
Where's Samantha?
I don't know, tell her if you want.
Call your
She just took a
sister.
shower, so.
Yeah.
You want Coke?
Yeah. Sprite. Anta.
Samantha iPhone.
We just woke up too. Shelts. She been up for Sawyer. Oh, she been up. Fanta.
When I was laying down in my bed at 2:44 and I thought it was nighttime.
Me too. Here for you, Sawyer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Brother, did I
You want Fanta?
Fanta Coke. Ooh, Sawyer wants brownies. Ooh. Can I put it in here? It's hot.
Right now. What is it? This is brownies.
Hot.
This is brownies.
Yeah. Go eat. So, nilagay ko na guys sa taas ang mga bagahe namin. I-unpack ko na to guys. Kahit pagod pa at may jet lag pa guys. I-unpack na to kasi nga wala na yung mga damit yung mga bata. So, ayan guys. Oh. Yan ang i-unpack ko. Ito pa. Ayun pa. At saka ito. Kailangan ko yung i-unpack. Mga damit namin yan. Na dinala namin galing Pinas. At saka dahan-dahan na rin akong naglaba guys. Kahapon. Kahit pagod. So, ito na yung itutupiin ko yan. 2 basket na lang naiwan. Dinandahan-dahan ko na. Walang yung namin guys. Walang matulog kami hapon. Mga 3 o'clock. Tapos nagising ako kahapon natulog ako 3 o'clock ng hapon. Tapos nagising na mga 10 PM. Tapos natulog na mga 3 AM. Tapos kagigising ko lang. Iba talaga pag jet lag. Pagod ang katawan. Tapos yung oras ng tulog iba. So kailangan ko na siyang kailangan sana mabalik na yung tulog ko. Yes.
Mommy, Daddy bought strawberries.
Huh?
But Daddy bought strawberries.
Daddy bought strawberries?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yummy.
Yan yung lagi ni-request niya. Strawberry.
Daddy bought donuts.
And donut too?
Yeah.
What happened to your face? Magtutupi lang muna ako guys. Tingnan natin yung dalawa. Your room is hot.
It's hot.
You didn't close the blinds? What time did you wake up? Sam, what time did you wake up?
I slept at 5 a.m. and woke up at 6. I only had like a few minutes of sleep.
Few minutes, an hour sleep? It's crazy. Shelton.
I woke up. I slept at. I was really. I felt like it was morning at like 4 a.m. So I'm like, tomorrow I'm gonna be really tired. So I slept at 4 a.m. So I was like, can you play with me? I'm like, no, I'm gonna go to sleep. And then Sally just went in her room.
What time you
wake up? 6.
Oh my god.
What time did you go to bed? 3?
3, and then I woke up 7.
But I woke up. I slept 8 hours technically because I fell asleep at 2:37 p.m. and I woke up at 10 p.m.